Hello and welcome to the Big Basket channel. When we think breakfast, we think poha, upma and cornflakes. While these are great, but after a while they do get boring for your kids. So today, I'm going to share 2 mouth-watering yet healthy recipes for your child, which they won't be able to resist. And for more such unique recipes, subscribe to the Big Basket channel and press the bell icon to get more regular updates. Now let's jump quickly onto our first recipe, that is chocolate oatmeal. So for this recipe, let's begin by collecting our ingredients. The very first ingredient that we need is of course oats. I'm using instant oats, but you can also use rolled oats instead. Now next ingredient is the nut mix powder. This is basically a powdered form of some dry roasted nuts and seeds. This recipe is for single servings, but you can adjust the quantity for more servings. Next ingredient is a good quality cocoa powder for that chocolatey flavor. Some choco chips for the fun element because we are making it for kids. Milk of your choice and some water to cook oats. That's it. These are the basic ingredients required to cook this quick recipe for kids. Ingredients are ready, so now let's get into cooking. In a pan, add some oats for dry roasting. Dry roasting oats help bring a nice nutty aroma into oats that only adds to the flavor. Oats are among the healthiest grain and are loaded with vitamins, minerals and fibers. This means a nutrient-packed start to the day for our little ones. Once oats turn aromatic, take half cup of water and add it to the toasted oats. Adding water helps in cooking the oats well and avoids forming any slimy texture that is often found in cooking oats. Keep stirring till oats absorb all the moisture and softens. Once done, add milk and mix well. And that's it. This is how the basic oats porridge is made. But to make it kid friendly and to bring more nutrition, we will add a few more toppings. Starting with 1 teaspoon nut powder. Nuts have omega-3 fatty acid which help in kids' brain development, and powder form doesn't make them realize that it's there, especially for our picky eaters. Since we are making chocolate oatmeal, I'll add half teaspoon of good quality cocoa powder and mix everything well. Using good quality ingredients is a key to tastier recipes, and thanks to Big Basket for offering an array of top quality products. Once the oatmeal thickens, turn the gas off and the oatmeal is ready. Once oats cool down a bit, for sweetener, I am adding 1 teaspoon honey, and a super delicious, chocolatey and healthy oatmeal is ready to serve. Now let's do some garnishing and make it more likable for kids. For that, I'll add a tad bit more milk, lots of choco chips, and lastly, sprinkle some more nut mix powder. This is how a healthy bowl of meal looks like, which is easy to cook, kid friendly and filled with lots of nutrition. So since I promised 2 recipes, here is another quick, super healthy and kid approved recipe, which is green smoothie. When there is a morning rush before school, giving just a glass of milk to kid feels quite incomplete. So this power-packed smoothie is a perfect substitute for that. For the smoothie, we need some pre-soaked good quality almonds. Many a times kids don't eat dry fruits in solid forms, but mixing them in smoothies is well accepted without kids even realizing. The next hero ingredient in this smoothie is frozen bananas. Bananas never go to waste in my house. As soon as they start ripening, I cut and freeze them for such delicious smoothies. Ripe bananas are rich in antioxidants and bring a natural sweetness to add flavor to any dish we make. Now comes the surprise element that also brings green color to our smoothie, and that is spinach. Kids won't even realize, and a great source of vitamins and minerals is added with no additional effort. Although bananas are sweet, but still to add more sweetness and make the smoothie iron rich, I will add 1 to 2 dates. Kids' nutrition is a major concern among parents, so nutrient smoothies like this make sure that kids start their day on a healthy note. Everything is ready and now it's blending time. So take a blender and in goes the frozen bananas, dates, soaked almonds, handful of spinach and milk of your choice. And let the blender do its magic. The benefit of leafy vegetables are not hidden, but very few know that we can add this goodness equally in our smoothies. Now let's take a tall glass and fill it with our smoothie. Who knew that sneaking green veggies into a kid's diet is so easy? This smoothie turns out so delicious that kids will end up asking for more. And why just kids? It's an equal pleasure for grown-ups too. Sprinkle some nut powder on the top and our green smoothie is ready to dig in. I love the idea and taste of this green smoothie a lot and I'm sure you will like it too. So don't wait and enjoy this green smoothie along with your kids' company. Tell me in the comment how you like the recipes and what else would you like to see. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you again.